Okay. Okay. I'm shy. Kampong Ayer.
Yes, the
Yeah.
water village.
Yeah. This is the water village and masjid.
Sultan Omar Ali.
Okay. Okay, let's go there.
So many people like
Okay, GT10. What's the meaning of this?
no, that's just the barangay.
Okay.
So, like,
Other
huh?
there are people.
So until next
Ah.
Monday they start. Oh yeah, that's like the clean water.
But yeah.
That's like probably just like the old water pipe.
Okay.
But not many people in the
This is your first time also to
I like to hear, yes, but
Yeah.
water village itself no.
uh
Because last month my Australian friend
yeah.
like we go to
Mhm.
I'm like guys just so
Okay. This is the boat. Oh, there's so many crabs. Some house here they abandon or they still
more probably migrate more to migrate. They move to like the stone one.
Okay. There's a mosque there also.
Yeah, that's the Al Mutadi Villa Mosque. With the Crown Prince.
That one.
Yeah.
So where is the way now? This one, this way.
That's the
There's the end. Maybe this.
you wanna see?
Yeah, we're gonna try to. What's this is the old. Oh, no more. But this is the end.
That's this area.
Yeah.
No, that this is it's a different part of Kampong Ayer.
Okay.
You see there's like a stone that you see that brown
Yeah, that.
rooftop right there, just like the stone house.
Okay. Then let's go back later. I'll just want to see here first. I thought there's a way going there, and like.
I think you can if you use the map.
Okay. We'll see first. Let's see. Oh.
You can like use this like but then like use this.
Until here, just for the boat. Speedboat, right? Speedboat. Oh. Oh. Hello guys, we're here at Kampong Ayer. At Kampong Ayer. Today is August 21, 2026. Yeah. So you can watch this maybe next day because I will edit it. I'm gonna make some video here for.
Have you went there in the square? You see that there's like a square there?
There?
Yeah. On the Eco Park.
Yeah. But one time I've been there.
Have you like take picture like, of the
I not yet.
you want
Yeah, let's go there. This is the first time and maybe the last time. At least we experience there using the fishing or what do you call it, the net.
No, nothing.
Nothing there.
Just like this side.
Okay.
Either we wait for get your
Okay.
so
So we walk. Maybe if we go there, we take a boat. If we go there in the other side, right? But there's also
like a hill.
yeah.
much more gray instead of like
Ah, that's now I know what about their abandoned.
you can go there if you take the
Ah, yeah.
That's
Let's go, let's go.
if you keep going there, like to the bridge right there,
Yeah,
there's like the river, right?
yeah.
Keep going there, you go past the tomb of the first sultan,
Mm-hmm.
and then you reach the istana, the palace,
Yeah.
and then like past that, like that is the area where you can see the monkey.
Ah, yeah. Where is the going in the monkey?
Just like there,
Ah,
so it's like
The-
near Bunot, not that, like
the monkey with big nose. Okay. But there's what do you call that? How much the?
it depends on the taxi driver.
Oh yeah.
The last time me and my friend, $20 per person
Oh, 20 per.
for 1 hour ride.
Okay. Next time maybe on Tuesday if you want. If you have a time, huh? There's a cat here.
Very long ago,
Yeah.
like how many years before the year 2000,
Yeah.
there used to be like a traveling lady like on a boat.
Mm-hmm.
They call it the padian.
Oh.
So basically, she go around each house
Mm-hmm.
selling grocery.
Oh,
So it's like you're like the housewife.
yeah.
You drop the bucket with money. What you want, you tell the padian.
How much do I?
Yeah, like you put the money inside the bucket. You just drop down.
Oh,
And then the padian put like the grocery and the change, and then just pick up your grocery.
and this is the
The water,
the water. Clean water, right?
clean water,
Clean water.
like from the land.
Mm.
And this one there,
Ah, yeah.
like this bridge.
This it looks like a week.
And only like this part, I think, on the middle is one.
Ah, okay.
You go.
Okay. It's like oh. Okay, there's also hills there. Do you think there's also a crocodile here?
Not anymore. The water taxi when I brought my friend said they the big one they catch probably kill or something, or like some that move somewhere else. No, not around residential area anymore.
Oh, there's a big fish there. You can see the big fish.
Oh, I see it. Yeah,
Yeah.
moving.
Yeah.
Like the white one right there.
Yeah. There's a big fish.
Like small.
There's also here.
Yeah, you can see the box.
Yeah. There's also a bicycle.
People using bike.
Yeah.
That is probably like the good platform there. Not the like that one with the hole.
There's the good bridge there. Okay. He's back. So this is Brunei. Oh, the mosque is here. There's also there. Different like that, right?
It's like this one, like the pyramid.
Okay. That's the big. Oh, there's a monkey.
They're probably from there.
Yeah, there's a monkey.
The evil monkey.
Where is the way? Do you think this one or this way? This way.
But like the monkey.
You go there. Oh, what's that? The bridge. I thought the monkey. Kampong Ayer. Oh, there's also a monkey there.
The guy cycled through here.
Yeah, this one.
Much more sturdy
Yeah.
and newer. Back then they just use branches and logs, like small logs, like for the platform.
The monkey is there.
This monkey is all on the Philippines.
Yeah, like that also. There's what's this?
Like
This
small ice block and small big ice block, and also ice cream for 30 cents, Milo or liquid.
Okay. Oh, this is mosque also. Masjid. The monkey is looking at.
If you know how to sign up.
Mm.
There's also like if you know like the people here,
Mm.
like suddenly like the people I know here already moved
Mm.
to the land.
Mm.
Like you can have like eat ambuyat. Have you tried ambuyat? No, right?
Not
But
yet.
you do know what it is.
Mm. He eating
From the plastic.
the plastic. He's hungry. This one. Also there.
Water monkey.
Water monkey. He's eating
This is my first time to the
here
mosque.
also.
Yeah,
Uh,
because the other day like me and my friend only passed through. He takes picture from the boat, but not will go through here.
uh,
So even though he said no, he doesn't want to. He wants to see the monkey. Even the taxi driver, okay.
mm. There's also electricity here.
Yeah, the
Electric.
electric pole. You can just go into the courtyard.
This
Yeah, the
court.
mosque.
Oh wait. Can we go there?
Yeah, if the gate, if there's a gate. But yeah, I didn't know if this is the one with the visitor or not.
They
Because
they allowed to
some-
even with
some what do you call it?
mm,
Some mosque.
mm,
The gate is open.
mm,
Probably can just go to the courtyard now.
mm. Or maybe next time lah.
No,
Can
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
this one. Okay, you want to go inside?
Ano?
At tandas, what's tandas? Toilet. Okay.
Probably no.
Tandas. Ito tayo. It cannot be. We are here near at the mosque. Yeah. Someday we can watch this.
The video.
Yeah, the video. Oh, it's almost 23 minutes already. Okay. Balik. Bilik. What is that?
Wudu is ablution.
The wind wash.
Yeah, you see a lot like in Saudi.
Yeah. This also. We can. Yeah. It's aircon also.
Yeah. Like
There.
most, if not all of the mosque in Brunei. has
But
aircon. That's
okay.
like,
So we go back now.
Yeah.
We can go back. Oh,
wanna see like a bit.
okay. We go there.
Probably can go right.
Yeah.
This is circle right over there.
Okay.
Oh, you see like the flag? Usually it means something. Like
Others.
the white, green, and black.
Where is the plug?
Yeah, on the flagpole right there.
Okay.
If the black one is up, it means it's Friday. It just like tells you what day it is.
Maybe there's people inside.
Yeah, like the day is probably finished today.
Yeah, me also. Okay, this is the entrance. It's an old. Okay. Ay,
There's the way that we go earlier.
Yeah, the earlier is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the difference. This is the stone bridge here.
Yeah, so like, this is like the mangrove.
Yeah, mangroves.
So like smelly.
Mm.
You call it paya as well or not? Like swamp?
Where?
Swamp. Paya. Or
Paya. Like a container
no, swamp.
swamp.
You like this one?
Yeah.
What is it like in Tagalog?
The mangroves. Same.
No, not mangrove, like swamp.
A swamp. I don't.
Like this low water, pinky sometimes.
This part.
Yeah.
Paya. Low water.
And then, like in the like a lot of crocodile sometimes. Also someone like
The
plastic bag kite.
yeah. There's also so many monkey.
The mangrove here, right?
Yeah. Oh, there's a monkey.
There's so many.
Oh, a lot. There's so many. Also here. Oh, even a small monkey.
Careful with that one.
Yeah.
Sometimes monkey, you know.
Oh. Yeah. There. You call that? Oh. But they are afraid.
Sometimes
They attack.
evil one.
They attack sometimes.
Yeah, no, not really attack, but like if your person may get angry,
Okay.
thankfully this one just run away.
Oh, there's a.
Cut. Cut.
Oh,
Couple.
there's a.
But if you're not used, yeah,
Mhm.
open all the time.
Oh, there's so many monkey. There.
Remember when I said can go through like between people's house, like this one,
Mm. Oh,
the bridge building.
yeah. Here or where? What do you think? You go there? We go there or we go back there?
Up to you. Where you want to go? Like want to see like the Doors of Banda?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Next time lah, we go there. There's a crocodile. Isn't it?
No, just lot.
Okay. I thought it was a crocodile. Oh, what's there? There's so many people there. The student. They are student or no?
Probably like high school student.
No smell, right?
No.
In Manila, in Metro Manila, even
Here.
you smell the water.
This one is probably because it's a windy. Usually like sometimes you can smell. Especially like on the near the mangrove right there. That's why I'm surprised no smell.
Okay.
Probably
But-
because of the wind is strong.
Earlier or no?
No. Even
Yeah.
I didn't know if I can go through the
Okay. I feel hungry now.
not really small but like the people's house you can buy. You can just like
Ice cream. There's an ice cream there.
yeah, ice cream drinks.
Yeah.
Because they know like sometimes tourists is here, right?
Yeah.
Like,
So we try if we can see the Kampong Ayer Water Village.
I go there.
Maybe there's a
Yeah.
yeah.
Study there's a cannot go through. Have to use boats at some point.
Yeah, in there. Near there
Yeah, because
Yeah.
there's no way, there's no bridge go towards Bandan.
Okay. So, what do you want? We take
Either we take boat or we go back.
boat.
So which one you want? I think the boat fare is mostly $2
$2
per
what
person
per person?
at most. If not, probably on $1.
Try to walk here first.
They probably think you're a tourist
Yeah.
because you're wearing black.
Yeah. Let's try if there's still way there. Can we ask if $1 per person is okay? It's fine.
Yeah, but
If James watch this, maybe
it's like, oh,
yeah. Oh,
I never go there.
yeah.
Oh,
Is
people
it?
using bike.
Oh yeah. There's a bike also.
I never. They already going.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's also people using motorbike here.
Here.
You see there's a motorbike.
Uh, I don't see it. This is Kampong Ayer. Oh, what's that? It's a propeller. There's a boat. Hi.
Like when they see like a foreigner. I can see the yayasan.
Da.
Yayasan right there.
Yeah, yes. Yeah. There. That's the yayasan. Right?
Yeah.
So, if you want to build your house here,
Sadly,
you have to pay, or
like like rent? Not rent, like a
no,
mortgage?
yeah,
No, I don't think so.
you just build your
Yeah,
house
you
here.
just build your house.
Okay.
Totally, like you cannot build like wooden house anymore.
Mm.
They don't approve it like the government, so that's why there's the stone house.
Mm.
Mm,
But this one, it can still allow to build, or
yeah, if there's not wooden anymore. So that's why like now like the wooden house is like decreasing.
uh, oh, to, there's a pipe here. But they abandoned already this. They abandoned, right?
Yeah,
But
you can see the toilet. Usually the toilet is not
yeah.
cement.
Cement.
See?
Then- but now they are not allowed to build with wood.
Yeah, we're probably like 40, 50 years already.
Ah,
This one.
yeah.
Even this one is already so old.
Okay.
At least the maintenance for the water is easy.
Yeah.
Just like remove the plank, change
Uh-uh.
that.
Yeah. But there's so many garbage.
Oh yeah,
Like-
just like going back then they just used to throw garbage, but
Mm.
now cannot. You get penalty, get caught.
Yeah. Oh. Ah, no way. There's no more way.
No way. I can't.
Oh yeah.
Continue.
How about there?
We're going back or like using boat?
What do you think?
I think the boat is probably just $1.
Yeah. Then we walk when if we going back.
Towards the jetty.
Yeah.
Can you use this one? Do you see this there? I want to see this there.
Yeah. Can you see first if So yun nga guys, nandito nga kami sa ano, Kampong Ayer. Ito yung tinatawag nila na water village dito sa Brunei. Cannot be? It's okay. Okay. We just wait. You want to take your taxi? Yeah. Okay.
You break right just to go down this stair?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we just wait here for the water taxi. So yun nga guys, maghantay kami ng water taxi. At tatawid kami doon sa kabila, doon sa may yayasan doon. So dito kami. At ayan, maraming mga saranggola, mga kite there. So ayan, bali first time lang namin na pumunta rito. At maghantay kami ng water taxi para makatawid kami doon sa may kabila. Dahil pagka babalik pa kami doon, medyo malayo pa. Pagbalik na lang namin, kana lang kami maglalakad.
I think this really back then many water taxi. Just like race
Okay. Maybe that one, no? There's one. Yeah. So we experience also to ride at the water taxi. Yeah. There are tourists. Yeah.
I remember like the guy felt like
Oh.
just like usually the life like for tourists.
Yeah. You know how to swim?
Yes, I know. Because like going here, I can wait. So,
There.
because I tried not to get the one. It's like a rule basically.
Yeah.
Now you see that mask?
Yeah.
Like actually we can like later like one time next time like go through the bridge.
Yeah.
Because it circles to that mask. Because there's like land there and parking.
Yeah.
And then like we walk around here. Even there's like a museum.
I'd like to go there also sometimes.
Like the version.
The bridge, the big bridge there.
We go through the bridge and then we go to that mosque next time.
Oh yeah, next time. Maybe on Tuesday if you have time. Or
I think this one doesn't go to. There's like no bridge. We have to go down it.
you maybe this way.
Yeah.
Maybe I think there's no more. There's no boat because it's already.
Like 5:30.
Yeah. Maybe the other visitors there are taking the boat.
Oh, you see like the other like the boat earlier like with the tourists. They're probably going towards the monkey.
Yeah.
They're, like, going there.
Yeah. Remember, yeah. So if there's no boat, so we.
I didn't know if they can like go. Back then you can like go to here like with the boat. Maybe now they cannot. You have to use jetty.
Yeah. So we walk now.
Yeah, we walk now.
Yeah, because there's no boat because maybe it's already fully booked. What do you call?
Have to like, accept the one here.
Yeah.
To go to jetty.
Yeah.
Jetty usually like they see people they stop.
Yeah. Jetty.
Like, oh, you wanna go? Okay.
Okay, just walk lah.
You walk in front.
Yeah, he's looking there. Oh, there's
There's a fisher.
fisherman. Yeah, it's okay. This way, I think. But they don't pay monthly here. They don't pay.
No, probably at most probably yearly. But no, even then, I don't think they pay anything here. Many crabs.
Hi. Many crabs.
Oh, there's a jetty there.
Where? Yeah. Let's try. Jetty? What?
Yeah,
Oh,
jetty.
jetty. It's does mean terminal like that.
Yeah, like a terminal. You're not waiting on the jetty. We don't want to pick you up. they probably see but don't want to pick up.
Yeah. Jetty. Ah, okay. So I think there's no boat.
Wanna wait
You want?
2 minutes stop.
Yeah.
And then well,
It's okay for me if we walk or boat. If there's no boat, so we can walk. Oh, oh, that's a big.
two monitor desert.
Yeah. Ay, is that a crocodile?
No, two
Ah.
big monitor desert.
Ah, okay. I thought.
They're actually like this big, like just the body.
Yeah.
With your eyes off.
Maybe it's how many kilos do you think?
Yeah,
to-
for you to eat.
yeah. For adobo. How much? $1. Yeah, okay.
Alam mo, kaya kawan ng Philippine ka? Ha? Ano pangalan mo?
Ah, Ariel. Yeah.
You're on? What the village?
How much? How much?
Kemana saja? Ya, ada pilihan ron kepengaing, satu cara ron kepengaing, belas cara Brunei, ambuk, untuk panjang, proses monkey. Kalau melihat ambuk, pengaing, 2 orang aku minta 50 saya tadi, seorang minta 70. Oh,
Next time lah. Next time lah.
Pengaing saja, pengaing murah sikit.
Yeah. Next time lah because we don't have much
Pengaing,
time.
low the price. 10 ringgit seorang. $10 one each. The around all the Gena Darang Water Village, everything.
$10.
$10.
If water village.
Everything you see the Water Village.
Yeah, per person so $20.
But
Bridge, fire station, the police station, high school, palace, the long story the Brunei.
my money is not enough. Next time lah. We just go there lah at Bandar lah. Bandar lah.
Bali 15.
Maybe it's just $5.
Oh, $5
Next time lah. Okay. Diri kasi. Oh. At least we experience.
But have you used like speedboats like in Philippines or not have?
There's also, but not